Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cynthia. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to layer our skincare products, especially if you're a beginner on skincare. Knowing the right order when it comes to applying your skincare product is very essential in skincare. Not only does it help your skincare product perform their functions better, it also helps your skincare product penetrate well into your skin. So in today's video I will be showing you the right order to which you are to apply your skincare product on your skin. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, endeavor to watch this video to the very end and do not skip any part of this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever new videos are uploaded here on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that others can get to see it as well. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, here is my bowl of water. I do make use of the Ashanti papaya soap as my face cleanser. I've reviewed about this soap here on this channel. I'll link it up here and as well on the description box of this video, so you can go check it out. It's a very nice soap. But on today's video I'll be making use of the Veet Gold face wash foam with lemon and vitamin C extract. Of course, you want to apply your facial cleanser on a damp skin. Make sure your skin is damp before making use of your facial cleanser. And that is why I get this water. Okay, I'm supposed to be doing this on my bedroom, but for the sake of this video I'll be doing it here for you guys to see. Now I'm making use of my face wash, or you can also call it a facial cleanser, meaning that your facial cleanser is the first skincare product you should go in with. A simple everyday gentle face wash will thoroughly cleanse your face, preparing it for the other skincare products. And guys, any facial cleanser of your choice will perfectly do the job pretty well for you. So you want to apply your facial cleanser on a damp skin. Make sure your skin is damp before making use of your facial cleanser. Apply your face cleanser on your face and work it into your skin for 60 seconds. That is 1 minute, so that it can get fully absorbed into your skin. Now if you have facial cleansers with actives in it like AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, BHA, that is beta hydroxy acid, or benzoyl peroxide, then you have to leave your facial cleanser on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing it off. After you're done rinsing your facial cleanser off your face, you want to go ahead and dry your skin. You can actually do this by patting your face dry with a clean towel or clean cloth, or you leave your face to air dry. Note that when applying your skincare product, you need to start with your light product, then move to products with a thick consistency. Now the next product we are going in with is a toner, and I made use of the Dr. Rashel brightening essence toner with vitamin C and niacinamide. This toner is very good and lovely, guys. A toner will help to refresh and awaken your skin, setting the stage for your skincare products to work their magic. It is the invigorating boost your skin needs to start the day feeling rejuvenated. It also balances the skin pH level and provides an extra layer of hydration. A hydrating toner will also help to remove dead skin cells, eliminate the remaining dirt on your face, and improve your skin texture. Use a cotton pad or cotton wool to apply your toner, or make use of your finger to pat it into your skin. And be gentle on your skin while applying your toner. Just tap it into your skin. It is not a cleanser, it is a toner. You are meant to work the product into your skin. Okay guys, I so much love this cleanser a lot. It will help to get rid of all the dirt away from your face. The next skincare product to go in with is the vitamin C serum, or basically any serum of your choice, and I made use of the Dr. Rashel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging serum. Serum is the third lightest product in your skincare routine, so this is the right time to use it. One thing to bear in mind when applying any product with a dropper is to make sure the dropper is not touching your skin. That way it will help prevent you from transferring bacteria into the product. So guys, after you're done applying your facial serum, the next skincare product to go in with is your essence. That is if you have one, alright? Most people have been incorporating essence into their skincare routine without them knowing the right order to applying it. So you want to apply your essence at this stage as your fourth skincare product because it is a bit thicker than the serum. So you want to apply it after you're done applying your facial serum and not before applying your facial serum. Then work in your essence so well into your skin and let it dry down a bit before going in with your next skincare product. Also, this is applicable to every other skincare product you're making use of on your skin. Make sure it dries down a bit before going in with another skincare product so that it can absorb in very well and fully into your skin. So now the next product to go in with is your moisturizer, and I made use of the Nivea soft moisturizing cream with jojoba oil and vitamin E. I've also reviewed about this face cream here on this channel. The link will be on the description box of this video, so you can go check it out. And guys, when getting a face cream or a face moisturizer for yourself, you have to pick a moisturizer based on your skin type and your skin concern. I've made a video on this channel on how you can determine your skin type to know the best skincare products that are suitable for your skin. I'll leave the video up here and as well on the description box of this video, so you can go check it out. Moisturizers are best applied directly onto the face. Please and please do not apply your moisturizer on your palms, rub it in and then apply it on your face. No, you don't want to be doing that, okay? Just apply it directly on your face and work it well into your skin, including your ear area, your neck areas, okay? Whatever skincare products you apply on your face should be applied on your neck as well. Now the next skincare product to go in with is your sunscreen, which is the last and the most important step in your routine. And I made use of the Dr. Rashel anti-aging moisture sunscreen with SPF 60. And this is very important in your daytime skincare routine. Do not apply your sunscreen at night. On applying your sunscreen, you need to use 2 fingers and apply it on your face. Make sure that as you are applying your sunscreen on your face, that it is also touching your lips, your neck areas, basically all areas of your body that are exposed to the sun after you have worn your clothes. Alright, apply your sunscreen on those areas as well. Also, it is very important that you always reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours when you are outside of your house. Not reapplying your sunscreen is as bad as not using your sunscreen in the first place. And for easy reapplication of your sunscreen, you can get a sun stick or a sun spray for yourself. So you can get the Easy Tree hyaluronic acid airy sun stick with SPF of 50 or the Dr. Rashel moisture sun spray with SPF of 60. And of course, the lip is not left out. I make use of the Nivea Shine Lip Balm together with a lip gloss, okay? And this will help to provide a long-lasting moisture to the lip, preventing the lip from drying out and keeps it looking beautiful, smooth and soft throughout the day. So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you are very much interested at having your skin look its best this 2025, then be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on your post notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new upload here on this channel. Give this video a like and drop your questions on the comment section. And be sure I'll go through them and answer your questions as soon as possible. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Till then, bye.